At the dealer principal access level and higher, there's a tab called Performance Analytics. In here, it allows you to create your own comparison lists based on the data that's held within the system. So if we look at View Locations first, it'll display all the locations you have access to. To check them all individually, or you can click on the box here and it'll add them all to a report. To create a new list, you go across to Add Comparison List. Choose a list that you want to add the details to, or create a new list and give it a name. And then you click on OK. It'll take you straight to the comparison lists at the bottom here, and then this will display all the lists you've ever created. You can also do it by business manager. So if we go to business managers, you can choose individual business managers, or you can choose to add them all and then add them to an existing list or create a new list. Then once you've chosen your list, so if we do all business managers, you click on Run Dashboard and your list will appear. Here you can then refine the information. So you choose Refine Report Info and choose a date range. So in this case, we'll look at over 1 year's worth of data. Choose whether you want to do delivered or undelivered, new or used or both. Whether you want to look at the finance or insurance income, and you can show or hide names. So we will show their names and we will look under income per retail unit total. You can do one KPI at a time. Choose your KPI and then refine the data. So it'll show you the business manager's names in this case, the average dollar per retail unit here, and then you can hover over each one and it'll tell you their names. You can also convert it to a trend line and the report will display it over time. Change back, click on the overall view and it takes you back. If you're viewing it on a large screen, you can zoom in and zoom out, so it'll take up more of the screen and make it easier to read for all parties. To change it, just refine report and change your KPI. So if we want to look at income per retail unit for finance and refine it, it'll maintain your date range and the rest of your search criteria. We could also go to income per contract total and refine and change it back to a trend and expand it or decrease it as needed. To close it and go out of it, you just close it down same as you would any other screen.